Hello. I have a washer/dryer lamona HjA 8704 and I pushed the button to open the door in too far. Now I can't open the door as the button is pushed far back inside the washing machine. Is this just a simple, open the top and click the button back? Or will I need to call out for a repair? Thank you for your time, Sam.
Welcome, my name is I will be helping you with your problem today. If anything isn't clear, please just ask me. I'm so sorry that no one else has responded to you. Apologies for my delay in replying, I only just came online and saw your question. Are you still looking for help with this? Please just use the reply button to contact me. Disconnect the power and remove the lid retaining screws and remove the lid. You should then be able to see the button from inside. Gently push the button in further and realign the button with the hole in the fascia, from inside the machine. This should then allow the button to return to its proper place. Can I ask you to take a moment and rate my response? Please use the smiley faces which you should now see. Please remember you are rating me personally, not the website or the problems you have had with this machine. This will not close your question and you can still come back to me if you need more help. Thanks, Rob.
Hello. Still relating to the washer/dryer, the button to which we both are referring to has completely snapped and needs replacing, but where can I find one for this oldish machine, please? Thank you, Sam.
Hi Sam, thanks. If the button is actually broken rather than just being pushed in, the whole set of buttons needs to be replaced. Is the layout of the buttons like this? Thanks, Rob.
Thank you. But the set of buttons you have shown doesn't have the button I'm referring to. It's the button that opens the washing machine door. It's connected separately. Those are the function buttons. Thanks, Sam.
Hi Sam, I was afraid you would say that. That's why I sent you the picture. I couldn't find anything else, but I'm going to check a couple of other places for you and come back to you. Thanks, Rob. Hi Sam, I think I have good news. Is that it? Thanks, Rob.
Hi, sorry I'm a pain. Well, yes, it's the button, but no, it's the plastic on the panel. I looked up the panel and can see where the plastic behind the button has snapped. I'm going to replace the panel and hope it works. Thank you for your time and of course help. Sam X.
Hi Sam, no worries. So, it's the actual fascia you need? Thanks, Rob.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.